Hello guys, welcome to another of our video tutorial, and today we'll be discussing about the line plot. We've talked about the scatter plot, the bar plot, so today we'll be talking about the line plot extensively. So before we go ahead, you should also have it in mind that you will need to import the necessary modules that you'll be needing in the course of you plotting using your line plot. Okay, so let's go ahead. So before I continue, I want to let you know that we are supposed to be using just two array lists, but because we can have as many data as possible, I'm going to create a lot of arrays using combinations of 1 to 3. All right, so let's go ahead. Okay guys, so we are actually done with the necessary code that we need to create our line plots. So if you observe from first A to the last F, they are of different data arrays. Okay, so we created the first 1 2 3 and the second 3 2 1, then we started varying the numbers so we can get as many arrays as possible. Okay, so we are done creating that, and we've given the figure size from for the graph, then you will also have to plot each of those lines. So we are actually assuming that A is for the x-axis, then other ones will be plotted against A. So B will be plotted against A, C will be plotted against A, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the next thing to do is to run this code and see if there is any error. If there is no error, I'm sure our code will be printed. Okay. Okay, so I think there is a misspelled here. PIT. Okay, so we'll just have to go back and define what and try to correct line 13. Okay, so we'll go back to line 13. Okay, so you can see the PLT, the L is not what we needed here. So clean that up and use the normal L and go back to the run. Wow, what a beautiful sight to behold. So guys, this is our line plot. We plotted as many lines as possible against one, which is the letter A. So that is why we're having different lines. Okay, so we're going to go ahead to give this graph more beautification and more details so that anyone who sees it will actually read meaning from what he or she has seen. Okay, so let's go back. So just after the last one, you create the labels. Okay. Okay, let's give it a simple title. Here's a detailed line plot using Matplotlib. Okay, a detailed line plot using Matplotlib. Alright, so this is the title. So we're going to create a legend, guys. This is going to look beautiful, so let's go ahead. So guys, we have actually added some lines from line 15 to 18, and this will show more beautification to the plot we just did, and it will give more details to it so anyone can actually read meaning from it. Then the next thing to do is to run your code again and see what happens. Wow guys, as you can see here, let me zoom it a bit. This is the x-axis. We've added a title to the x-axis. Okay, so if I take it back to this other side, you can see we have the y-axis here. That's the label we just added. Then if you go upwards, you can see the title, a detailed line plot using Matplotlib, right? Okay, so the Matplotlib needs to be corrected. Okay, Matplotlib, fail to add the L, which we can do right now. Okay, so then the legend, guys, this is what a legend is. This is what to tell whosoever that is seeing this graph that A represents the blue line, the B represents the orange line, the C represents the green line, the D represents the red line, and the E represents the purple line. Okay, so this is how important the legend is in your graph. Without this legend, no one would know which is which, as you already know. So this legend will give more details to whosoever that is going to read the details from this graph. So guys, this is how you go about plotting your line graph or your line plot using Matplotlib. All right, hope you enjoyed this class. See you in the next class. Take care.